What up, what up, what up? Happy Friday. I mean, bro, started off already so cooked. Happy whatever, and let's have a look. Hope you guys are doing well. What up? What up? I won't stop until I come see you, big brother. It's anus. My edge is playing out. Okay. Ariel. Big Jack, Big Grant, Big Shib. What is up, my friends? Happy Today Day, yes. Big James, Oram, Tyrone. Hey man, so we moved down, now we're moving up. Big Cashy, what up, brother? Vanessa. Wow, whole squad here on a Monday, ready to blow some accounts. So there's Jesus was reliable. There's something going on here, and we're gonna have a look. Big Paul, what up? Shemdog, Slumdog Millionaire. I laugh at my own stupidity. Sick. So I think let's have a real quick look. Muggsy, the monthly's doing that, the weekly's doing this. Oh, the weekly looks weird. My fake fries is here. Weekly doesn't give me much information. Red Doge. Daily, so that's right. Remember Friday we had like that huge drop, I think government reopening. So government shutdown is no longer down. And you got to think about it, like it only makes sense that like when there's more stability in the economy, gold will most likely drop. But when there's fear, gold pushes. So I don't know if like stability or perceived stability pushed price down. But so we came down this morning through Asia, now we're moving up. Very strong hour closure here. If you look at the hours to the left, the hour candles to the left, it looks pretty yucky. But I'm still interested on the lower time frames. 30's doing this. Wow, we're really moving up here. Look at this. We're just going upwards. Stuart, what up? What up? Stewie. Do it in the mentorship. Dean, what's your name in the mentorship? What's your Discord name? Clappo. No, I can't do it. Asia's 4 a.m. for me. Yeah, Asia's 4 a.m. for me. I was doing it for a while, but I was literally burned out because I had to get up at like 3 something and then jump straight on the screen. I was literally going blind, bro. Because I'd wake up at 3:30 or 3:15 and jump straight on the screen. Like I was turning blind. It's like no good for your eyes. What up, what up? I mean, these ranges are deceptively big, I think. You know, 64 bangers there. Please, bro, what you think on gold? Brother, we're going to mark some shit here and then we're going to see if we can... Yeah, I'm curious as well. That's you right now? Yeah, man, these screens will really get you. They'll get your eyes real good. They'll snap. They'll snap your eyes off. I just finished from Raj's live. Nice. Yeah, a couple levels here. I wonder if, so something that could be cool is if like, you know, this turns into a wick and then it closes back in this range. But that's like too perfect. We'll see. Get some computer glasses. Blue light blockers, yeah, but I think it's like, yeah, there's only a level of like blue light that's doing the damage. It's more, a lot of it is just like looking at something that close. You know, a good way to strengthen your eyes is literally focus on something in the distance and actually like, it uses a different part of the eye's muscle, is to focus in the distance. When you're looking at something this close, it's like, it's very unnatural as a human to look at something this close for hours and hours on end. Think about it, we grew up in fucking outdoors. You're always like looking in the distance, trying to fucking see an animal. You know, well, at least men, the women are at home doing the dishes. Joking. Raja Banks closes his live. Does he know you're streaming? Yeah, he jumped off because he knew that I was going to stream, and he was like, bro, I got to get out of here. He's going to jump onto my stream. The Firework King is back. Oh, this dude, ages ago, I found this like a connection for a dude with fireworks because I really wanted fireworks. Just trade with your eyes closed. Yeah, that, you know, that might be the go. I mean, I could have done that back when gold was pushing up. Yeah, I could have just closed my eyes and pressed buy back then, but I saw your video on Instagram where you were talking about 500 accounts and compounding on, yeah, 500 accounts and compounding. I mean, you really want to get to a certain level psychologically as a trader to be able to manage 500 accounts. So I will say that. I think it's best just to focus on 1 and then 2 and then like work your way up. Don't ever go straight to 5. If you gave me a chance. What up, Parimal? Okay, so a lot of green. Have we looked at NQ? Oh. NQ just broke up here. Still moving. Green. Winchell, what up, my dude? Buy fireworks for the Brizzy meetup. Rodney, what up, what up? Should we trade 500 accounts separately or copy trade them? The thing is, if you're like asking that kind of stuff, you should just be focusing on one, bro. Trust me. Trust me, bro. Just focus on one. It's the best idea, I guarantee it. Have we got any red folder? Man, it's like weird not looking at red folder news because it hasn't been a thing for so long. Nothing. No wood fire today, yeah. No wood fire today. Yeah. If you actually made money trading, you wouldn't be selling a course. You're a scammer. No! Fucking caught me. I've only made $5,000 today. God damn it. Fuck. You can't even see it at the top either. You can't see that I made what I used to make at my job, working about 6 weeks, 8 hours a day. I made this morning in like 15 minutes. God damn it. I made 6 weeks work in 15 minutes. Fuck, I'm a scammer. Ching, 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 ching. Yeah, so moving up. I don't know. It's not a ton we can do this yet. We're able to wait to see something here. Hassan, what up, what up? Niraj? Do you know Turbo Trades? Who the fuck is Turbo Trades? Why can't... Turbo Trades! It sounds like a... I mean, you know, when you're really sitting down and brainstorming what your nickname for trading is going to be and you land on Turbo Trades, yeah, we've got bigger issues, I think. Bro, is Australia good for living or Dubai? Australia. For living, I would say Australia, yeah. I've taken multiple payouts, bro, but I'm still failing. At one point I will lose, still don't have confidence in holding. Yeah, like you can get payouts and shit. You want consistency. So you got to ask yourself, am I getting payouts from, you know, YOLO trades, or am I getting payouts from sticking to the consistent playbook kind of thing? Yeah, you want to make sure you got consistency. Otherwise it's going to feel like you're going to be anxious on the markets. Don't you ask for tap from viewers? Nah, I don't care about any of that. I used to care about that on TikTok and shit. TikTok's done something where they've completely nerfed trading content. So now it's only good for streaming, I believe. I mean, I used to get probably an average of 500,000 views. But I used to also post content that I know would get views. Now I just post content that I think is valuable. But I've got nearly 200,000 followers on TikTok. I posted something the other day. It got 90 views in 24 hours. 90. Your boy Shadow Band. They know he's coming through with the 1-2s. Anyway. How can I be profitable, mate? Ooh, I don't know if I should tell you. You can be profitable by having a proven system playbook, and then you have to show up every day for a long time. Ideally have a mentor to speed the process up, and that's probably it. And just don't get in your own way. Nice, Niraj. Yeah, Project X getting nerfed from everywhere but Top Step. I mean, it's business. Like, business is business. They've obviously decided that it's going to be in their own best interest. And obviously not for the other people that use their platform. So a lot of prop firms are now going to have to make moves. But whenever you're in business or even in life and you rely on someone or something else, that's your own downfall. Like, you're now reliant on someone. So, I mean, you can't be butthurt when they decide to make a change. Just want to trade this morning with your strategy. Nice. When you were broke at 9:29, you started trading and your body was not fit. You started trading at the gym together. I mean, I was always relatively fit. Like I wasn't for a period. I had a couple back operations throughout that stage, which was like, I never even talk about it, but it was like the worst 6 months of my life. But I always focused on my fitness, always tried to eat healthy and train regularly. Yeah, if you don't do that, you're pretty cooked, man, honestly. I trained legs this morning. Saw your last video about the pullback, literally looking for the same setup that you've shown. Okay, nice. So we've got a minute here for the first candle of the London session coming up to this level. Might as well move this line. A lot of greenery here, you guys. So we'll have to see. Is it true when your trading gets boring, it's where success lies? I don't know about that. But I guess it's boring in the sense that you're just waiting for a thing, and then some days it doesn't even show up and things like that. Yeah. Really, Oram? Oh, because TikTok recently got bought by the Jews or something. Is that what you mean? Yeah, that's a good point. I wonder if... Huh. Were you a boxer? Yeah, I had a couple boxing matches. Yeah, I had a couple... I wouldn't... Yeah. Yeah, I'm live London every day. NQ, yeah, I got a haircut. I got a haircut from like Celebrity Hair Dude, bro. It was the best haircut I've ever got. Like I didn't do much, but just so good. Because most barbers, all they know what to do is fade. So like, oh, fade? I'm like, nah, bro, look at my hair. My hair's long. Like you got to know, like you got to fucking do shit to it. Or trade. Oh, yeah. Did anyone else take this sell this morning? I took a sell here on gold at a break below this level here. Oh, you did? Oh, Pez Dog. Yeah, I am. I mean, just growing. I decided to keep it like just whatever this length is. Bro, I passed my first funded account knowing the A+ setups because of you. Nice. Good shit, bro. Himothy. How'd you deal with your trading psychology? Just figured out my own psychology. Oh, you took that as well, Jack? Yeah, it was a clean setup. I can't lie. Like the 15 you thought was overextended, but I really liked how it looked on the 30. Yep, exactly same thing, Jack. So that base hit for the day, and now anything on top is a bonus. There's a burger. I make analysis and fall asleep. I'll tell you something about analysis. If anyone wants to join the Discord community, we've got a free Disy over here. Here's a link for it. We've got a free Discord community of over 6,000 traders. And if anyone's got any analysis they want me to pull up on stream, we can have a look at, just post in there and let me know. Thoughts on NQ type 1? I mean, I'm skeptical of using this as a support level, you know what I mean? It's pretty like weak. I personally couldn't do it, Bluey. I think if anything that was like would have been an impulse scenario, which I wouldn't even been interested in. Pezosaurus. Explain your lowest point, like you got lost in trading and suddenly trading work out that moment. It was never a moment, it was a continuation of moments. The amount of times where I'm slamming my hands out on my desk going, you fucking idiot, you did it again. Or, you know, just continually making the same mistakes, but wanting this so bad. And it's just really, like you just can't, the thing is, Like it's good for the guys in the mentorship because they've got a proven system. So then as long as they align with that, they should be good to go. But you know, it's that act of getting up the next day and trying again, trying to learn from the previous experience, the previous day, and kind of getting back on the horse. That's all. Repetition. Again, I was saying the other day, like I've been showing up to the charts nearly for 5 years, every day, no days off. So inevitably, here's the Dissy link, Nick, I'll post it on Facebook. Inevitably, you're going to find that success. But obviously it requires a lot. If an increase in bullish volume candle, you should avoid it. Yong, because it's like this. So we're moving up, strength pushing back down on the 30. Visually, this is like a really nice structure, especially like we're kind of moving down. You can see the flows heading down. Yeah, obviously you'd want a bigger retest, but I was pretty happy with it, to be honest. Yeah, I was pretty happy with it. It's just some discretion. Can you explain the difference between impulse and normal breakout? Yeah, impulse is just kind of deciding based on whatever factors you've decided on. Instead of waiting for the candle to close, as it's moving, you click buy there. That's the only difference. So you're entering. So if this is a breakout level, you're like, man, I want to see if price can break above and get that retest. You're not worrying about that. You for whatever reason, you believe it's going to continue. And for us, like even in type 2 scenarios, you know, where it's bouncing off a level, you know, we'll take it on the push back up. Yeah, we've got to catch up, Pez Dog. Good to catch up in. Does this strategy work? No. I mean, you get guys like me that show up on stream every day. You can see every day I show up, basically every day I show up, there's thousands of dollars sitting in my fucking live realized profits. But people will still say this dude's a scammer or this dude's that. Yet somebody that's a content creator showing screenshots, people don't say shit. It's like you can't win out in these streets. Been thinking about joining market fluidity, what do you think? Yeah, nice. Do it, bro. Get fluidity with it. It's just AI, yeah, it must be AI. Alright man, so I'm moving down here. What's a 30 look like? I think if this can close similar to what it is, I'd like a bit more bearishness on it, then I would look to sell. I think you definitely should, Pez. Your hair looks pretty. Thank you. I haven't had a shower today and I've been to the gym and trained. Filled out the application form for the mentorship. No feedback yet. Yeah, it depends. It depends. Then if you're rich and successful, why don't you start a family? Just a random question. Because there's a little bit more that I need to do in life first, and I mean, you're not going to find a fucking girl to marry in Dubai. Yeah, that's one of the big things. You're not going to find a girl to marry in Dubai, that's for sure. That's right, Nick. Yeah, married to the game. Legit. I like this. So I'm struggling to pass funded account. Yeah, that's normal, sir. The thing is, do you know why I touch it? Be sure to apply it. Oh. When you start looking for a wife, you're gonna look for her in Australia? I have no idea, bro. I mean, it's different for guys. You can kind of, yeah, I don't know. I'll decide when I look for a girl. What are your thoughts on real accounts versus funded? I think funded are better at the start of your journey, like early days. When I say the start of your journey, I mean like a year and a half, that first year and a half period. And then after that, maybe look into fundeds if you want. I mean, personal. Do you think broker with crypto payments are scams? No. Some have to go through that because of regulations and shit. Yeah, but do you know why you lost interest, Pez? Because you could move into long form and then be like, I lost interest in that. Yeah, 100% agree, Jack. Find a trader girl? No way. No way. I don't like the idea of that. Sounds interesting to us as trader guys' minds, but really it would be so annoying. I don't want a girl that's like grinding and hustling, because being a successful trader is a grind and a hustle. Every day you step onto this chart, it's a grind. Mentally. Doesn't seem like it is, but it's mentally exhausting. There was like some study that was done and they did like the blood pressure of all industries, and traders had the highest blood pressure out of all industries because there's psychological stress that we go through every day. Technically, I could lose all my money in a day if I wanted to. Underlying, that's like a lot of responsibility. What up, Patu da Barber? All right, we've got 3 minutes here. If we can hold like this, I'm getting interested. This is like basically the exact same scenario that I took this morning. Look, right here. And then sold down here. And if you look at the 30 time frame, you can see it here. If you... But yeah, man, it's Monday, so let's... I have nothing else after that, but it's Monday. I have to go to work. How's I just stop working one day and now I don't work? I mean, I still had to get up at like 5:45 a.m. because I had a lot of one-on-ones this morning, but that's not work. That's like passion. Yeah, Pez, I can tell you from first-hand experience, long form is fucking more exhausting than streaming. Because streaming, we can just click record and do the thing we are going to do anyway. Long form is like, bro, it is a mission. I have anxiety thinking about long form content I have to make. Just like, I don't know, just a bit of perspective. How to join Discord? If you scroll up, I just posted the link before. So got a minute and a half here. Yeah, that's right, Mohammed. NQ. You would take NQ by now, what? I looking for a girlfriend. Oh, Bryce tapped into that previous level. Interesting. Come on, Gold. Hold a bit more strength, bearish, and I'm interested. Oh man, long format. Because if you want to make successful long form content, there is a flow that you have to do as well. There's like, you know, you need a decent hook, and then you need you know, the mid range. There needs to be like a certain type of content to keep the viewer engaged, because you can see the statistics of when viewers drop off. So there's an actual methodology to making a good long form video, and it has to be informative and entertaining and educational. It's a fucking mission, bro. Drizzle lad, how are you? Just scalp push 3K for dinner. W. When do you stop using indicators? I mean, fucking early. Yeah, I knocked them on the head early. Long form, definitely, yeah, definitely a grind. It's filling at FVG. Yeah. All right, man, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, this range is going to be gigantic. 70 pips just to there. 75, fuck me. Wow. Yeah, bro, just start streaming. I know it's hard, and this is why nobody streams, Pez, because it is difficult. Like, how many times have you heard me say, if you can start streaming and get through the first 3 months, you should be good to go. The first 3 months is the most difficult, because I had major anxiety when I first started streaming, when people started showing up, because I felt like there was a level of responsibility now. Oh, fuck, people are watching now. Some people are going to take trades now. I haven't thought about this since back then, actually. I remember even saying to somebody like, or Ella, who I used to come on the stream sometimes, I used to say, fuck, I don't know if I can keep doing this. I'm feeling like mass anxiety because people are showing up now, and maybe they're looking at me and stuff. And then it kind of just goes away. It kind of just goes away. You're looking for a fake out? I mean, I don't know about a fake out. I'm looking for a potential sell here. That's what, like, yeah, okay, so that's the feeling that you had. I think if you can just keep pushing through, and just remember, what I ended up realizing is, or remembering, is that nothing really matters and no one gives a shit about anything. So it's like, just, you know, just do whatever. And I think that's freeing once you realize that, because you know when you think about anxiety, like, oh, I wonder what someone's thinking about me, and then it's like, if you ever think about somebody, you forget straight away. Like, you don't really think about people too much. You know what I mean? People don't really think about you, and if they do, it's just a fleeting thing, and then they just, you know, think about their own stresses. Are you Christian or not? Yeah, I'm Christian. I used to stream on Twitch. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, it's... Yeah, because there's a level of energy that you have to maintain, right? All right, so if I were to take this sell, which I don't think it's going to happen... Oh, okay, we'll see. I don't want to exceed 74, 75 ticks stop loss. I mean, that's so fucking bananas. I don't want to exceed that. Can somebody do the math? What's 75 times 5? Oh, that's not much. 375 plus fees. Okay. How old are you, bro? Bro, I'm 34 years old in dog years. Sometimes I don't understand trades you talk even though you use the same strategy. Because I don't use the same strategy as you, and I don't use the same strategy as Raja. I post videos and stuff and just simplify a few setups, but in terms of the system and strategy, it's not like you're not gonna like really understand until you're like really in the mentorship and you start to gain a pulse on it. Even guys in the mentorship, it's gonna take them like a month or two to really get a pulse on it. Can you explain the reason for this trade idea? Yeah, just coming up, coming back down, and then just selling it. Yeah, that's really it. That's all I'm looking for right now. So we'll see if I can win. Good spot for the stop. Oh, you scare me then, Pez. GC. MGC. I wanted to do a GC. It's funny you say that. I wanted to do a GC trade today, but not with this stop loss. It's going to be too big. Yeah, Pez, and that's the other thing, Pez. You're actually a good streamer, so it's like, I mean, I never get to watch it, but sometimes I'll have a look afterwards, and it's like, yeah, this is good. Are you not seeing my question? How much is it? You said how much is it? I don't know what you mean.
Order filled.
Okay, here we go. W. Yeah, that's not. I'm not mad at that for SL. Bro, I'm not even joking. This is gonna seem like some Illuminati shit, but as soon as that got hit, I knew I needed to do a piss, but it just like triple time hit me. Hit me with your best piss. Push little candle, fucking win me this Friday trade. Oh, mentorship. I don't know. It's just whatever. Just apply if you're interested. There's a couple tiers. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go to the toilet, but please don't stop me out. Here we go. Yeah, the thing is, because the ranges are big, so that was 25 ticks. I'm gonna have to hold it for a bit longer though. No, didn't wash my hands. Jesus is reliable. See if we can break this level. Kind of broke the low of this previous 30s here. Yeah, I don't know about the trends. I mean, the trend seems to be moving down to some degree. We did have a big push up there pre-London, but yeah, just trying to see if we can get a bit of push down here. I mean, this is the exact setup that I took this morning. Right here. This price coming up, showing strength in the other direction. Daniel, you're looking like a guy today. Huh? Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream. If not, I'm telling on you. I'm telling the teacher on you. Oh, you meant gay, wow. Do you trade multiple accounts at once? Yeah, I trade multiple accounts at once. I think that's yeah. There is a watermark in the middle of the chart. $700 bandits, yes sir, crazy, eh? Bro, how does it feel washing your bum? Oh man, I'll tell you something about toilets. I was walking around the other day and I went to this toilet in the streets and it was just a hole in the ground and it was really gross. It was like a hole. Yeah, it was just, yeah, it was not it, man. Like where people kind of squat over kind of thing. Let's go, gold. Drop a little bit here, bucko. I'd say drop a little bit here. Do you have anyone that you recommend learn a bit more about trading psychology? Yeah, I would say Randy Howe. YouTube Randy Howe. Yeah. In the Beninging. I think if this breaks its low one more time, I might go BE. If this breaks its own low one more time, I'm going to go BE. In the Beninging. Yeah, it's having a bit of a tug of war here. How long have you been trading for? How long profitable, bro? I don't know. Yeah. I mean, I do know, I can't remember. Not ages. Oh, bro, I just realized the music's blaring. Fuck. I don't like when the music's really loud. That's really annoying. Bro, you were great. Jesus is reliable. You were great, bro. Thank you. Yeah, what's the time? I'm gonna go BE, fuck it. I'm gonna go BE. I'd rather not. I'd rather whatever. I'd rather just be safe. You know what I mean? We're already down, like, it's already pushed nearly 30 pips. So I'm gonna go BE. If I get BE'd here, I'm fine with that. Better safe, yeah. Close 80. I'll close 80 if it breaks this low here. Yeah, I'll close 80 if it breaks this low. If not, I'm happy to go binary E. Come on, gold. Break the low. You know you want to break the low. Do it. There's over 1,000 people here in total. Don't make me look fucking stupid, man. Please. Please. Yes, there we go. He's the GOAT. He's literally the GOAT. Throw a dub in the chat if you caught that. Throw a W in the chat if you caught that on a Monday. Monday. That's what's up, my friends and family from across the globe. Beautiful. Nice. It's good to see some mentorship names there. Let's fucking go, chat. Let's fucking go. Mum, I'm changing my name. Australia's the great Australian trader. Are you crazy? Yes. Yeah, I would say that's an accurate call. Cool. So let's see what happens here. If it wants to keep pushing, I've got partials running. If it wants to be me, who gives a shit? Denomes trades or if I'm changing my name to Sniper fucking Bulldozer Trades. Turbo. Bulldozer Trades. I just got stopped out on my bike. Do the fucking dance, bro. I realized the last 3 trades I've done the gay dance, and I don't want to keep being gay, so I won't do the dance. Turbo Sniper Trades FX. One of your trades where you made 10K shirtless? Yeah, crazy, right? No, Fez, no. I did the chair spin already. The chair spin's less zesty. So let's see if we get one more trade here, and if not, then, I mean, fuck, man, I can't complain. Hey, you guys, check this out. I took the exact same trade today twice. Look at this. Bang, bang, banana. Bang, bang, banana. Break of the low. Break of the low. Himothy. Shemdog Millionaire. Now there's no music, really? Oh, okay, let me pull out a bit. At this point, I think you should embrace it, bro. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the YouTube stream. Giving out free 6. You know, I mean, we're on a pretty fucking strong stream W spree, whatever. One last time, please. Nah, it'll sneak up one more time. It'll sneak in sometimes. Oh, music was fine. What the fuck? I don't know. Yeah, let's see if... Oh, is that 15 just closed? Yeah, it did. So let's see if this can run a bit. Yeah, that's what they're asking for me to do, the Trump dance. The Trump dance Zest Central can only come out organically. And trust me, I just had the urge to do it so bad then, but I got insecure and thought, don't do the dance, Daniel. Let's see. Yeah, NQ's just whatever. I love your dance, bro. I've never seen a trade limit lockout. Wait. Oh, Nicki Minaj. Yeah, because it considers taking partials as a trade, Nicki. Rats. That's why it's always good to set a dollar amount. Yeah. I hope Traders Date is watching. Oh, bro. How many people on Facebook? Bro, my Facebook, I swear to God, this time last week, I had 100 followers. Now I have 5,000 a week later. Huh? AI? I'm not AI, Lebo. Lebo? Oh, look at this 300 profit came up and hit my B. Okay, fair enough. At least you got some profits, my dude. Yeah, beautiful. Look at this running. Very nice. Very nice. Like structurally on the 30, look how nice this looks. Break of the lows, major level. So here's the thing, I've even got a line there. This was like a major level earlier. And my thought was if we can smash through this, we should get that little pop there. If not, continue to run. People still use Facebook. Bro, Facebook is huge, huge. It's just not for kids, I guess. I don't know. Done for the day. That's all that you got to do. Beautiful, man. Yeah, lock it out if you're done for the day. Fuck off, Perry. That's the funniest thing I've ever heard in my entire life, and I'm 50 years old. So I'm going to see what this does, and once this is done, I'm going to probably just call it because I've already taken 2 trades for the day. 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all that you got to do. And it's a Monday, so like, why not just lock out and say good shit? Yeah, exactly, Sylvia. I agree with that. That's what you got to do. Can you explain the strategy? The reason you took the trade? The reason I took the trade is hidden behind a paywall, which is danielholmestrades.com, and you can work with me one-on-one or get access to course content and community. Nah, the reason was it just come up here and then came back down, so I just wanted to sell. Bro, I'm getting so lazy with stream that I can't be bothered fucking describing the setups. Nah, I've really got to, I've got to get back to not being lazy. The reason I took it is just, the thing is, the further I get into trading, the more I just simplify it. Trust me, that's the best way to win, is to just keep simplifying it and not think about it too much. There is a burger. Oh, nice with the cash. Someone's getting a burger tonight. Yeah, what Nikki said there on the Facebook. Bro, please, big fan. Bang Bang Banana fan. How confident are you when you trade? I mean, like, aren't you totally scared of losing all your money? No, because I don't risk all my money per trade. How many trades do you normally take? I mean, I'm pretty much done. 2 trades and you're done. Yay, my fucking viewership's on 666. The devil, all good. Locking out, good man. Yeah, nice. Lockjaw. I mean, I know I've been a bit greedy trying to get this whole run, but 70 pips it's moved. But sometimes you got to get greedy. Six is number for family. Yeah, but 3 of them in a row?
Order filled.
That W trade will buy me some beers in the Brisbane meetup. Nice. Yeah, on that note, you guys, Brisbane Traders meetup in like literally 1 month in Brisbane. So here's a link to the Brisbane Traders meetup. And I'm going to call it there, you guys. I'm going to lock out. So check this out. Discipline Trader Tings all day. Lock out. Yep, lock me out. I'm done. 1,150 over 5 accounts. Brisbane Connect. Cash, are you coming? Connect, bro. Appreciate you guys. Love ya. And let's do it all again tomorrow. That's all we got to do. Thanks, guys. Love you guys. Bye, guys. Appreciate it. Bye-bye. Bye.